How much does it cost to build a house here in the Philippines? Alam ko marami tayong viewers na dito, may it be in Santa Rosa or in any other part of the Philippines. Pero wala pang ballpark figure idea kung, oo, Jaire, nakabili na kami ng lote pero magkano kaya yung gagastusin natin sa bahay na ipapatayo natin? Well, this video is for you kasi ito yung ifo-focus natin ngayon at gusto ko kayo ma-educate dahil alam ko na kahit lote pa lang yung binabayaran natin, maganda na nagpaplano na tayo, lalo na sa ating house construction cost. Magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. This is Jaire Mamaklay, your property geek, and lalo na sa mga clients ko sa Australia, Europe, US, Canada, and any other parts of the Philippines at yung mga nanonood dito sa Pilipinas, good morning as I speak and upload this right now. So yeah, meron akong nakitang video, no? Ang Facebook page niya is si Mr. Contractor by Engineer Clark B. Ferrer. Hi sir, I'm a fan of yours at nabasa ko ito sa kanya and I am sharing you through our YouTube video kung ano nga ba yung mga ideas or sharings niya, kung magkano ba ang magpagawa ng bahay. So, i-run through natin yan on different type of finishes. Disclaimer bago tayo mag-umpisa, mga rough estimate lang tayo kung magkano nga ba ang pag-build ng house dito sa Philippines. It will still depend on the type or kind of finish that you want. So, it's from bare to premium and prices may vary depending on the location, materials, and labor costs. So, number 1, ang tinatawag natin na bare finish. So, ano nga ba ang basic definition ng bare finish? So, ito yung mga bahay nun na structurally complete siya pero walang mga finishing touches. So, what do I mean by finishing touches? So, pag bare finish kasi, wala pang tiles, wala pang paint, usually wala pa tong cabinetry, and wala pang partition and ceiling or kisame. So, ang cost per square meter natin ngayon is at 25,000 to 35,000 pesos per square meter. So, ballpark figure. For example, you have a 100 square meter house. So, that's about 2.5 million to 3.5 million in pesos. So the inclusions are structural works such as the foundation, walls, and roof. Of course, hindi yan mawawala kasi yan yung basic na kailangan natin when we're building a house. Basic plumbing and electrical, meron yan. Doors and windows may naka-install, pero again, no paint, no tiles, no cabinetry, no partition, and yung ating ceiling or kisame. So again, that's bare finish, 25,000 to 35,000 pesos per square meter. If you have a 100 square meter house, that's about 2.5 million to 3.5 million pesos. Number 2, standard finish. So, standard finish, medyo step up na siya sa bare finish, no? Meron na siyang complete interiors. Pero, medyo economical yung mga materials na ginamit natin. Kasi, talagang kapag nagpapagawa tayo, ang nagpapamahal talaga yung mga materials na ginagamit natin. Not just on the structural works, not just on the outside finishing, more of interior finishing, no? And, livable na siya, may basic tiles, may basic paint na rin, and fixture. So, ang cost per square meter niya is at about 35,000 to 45,000 pesos per square meter. If you have a 100 square meter house, that's about 3.5 million to 4.5 million pesos. So, of course, no, meron na siyang structural works, may basic finishes na siya such as the tiles, paints, and cabin and ceilings, no? And yung basic fixtures niya na bathroom and kitchen. Yung quality ng materials niya is more of economical or standards for flooring, windows, and doors. So, that's the standard finish. A bit step up, no, sa basic finishing or bare finish, pero meron ka ng tiles, meron ka ng paint, no, and meron ka na ring ceiling. Again, that's about 35,000 to 45,000 pesos per square meter. And ang ating 100 square meter house, magkakos siya ng about 3.5 million to 4.5 million pesos. Number 3, the semi-premium finish. So ano naman tong semi-premium finish, Jai? So as per Engineer Clark Ferrer, semi-premium finish is this level provides a more refined finish using better quality materials, more detailed craftsmanship, and higher-end fixtures. So Yung cost niya per square meter is about 45,000 to 60,000 pesos per square meter. So for a 100 square meter house, meron kang 4.5 million to 6.5 million na cost. So it includes structural works na higher end yung tiles na ginamit mong materials. Meron ka ng woodwork and finishes. Mid-range na no yung type ng ginamit mong kitchen and bathroom fixtures, and meron ka na rin mga decorative details sa mga ceiling designs mo and moldings. And of course, no, better quality materials for doors, windows, and hardware. So technically, no, if gusto mo nung mga nasa mid ka, no, hindi naman sobrang mura ng ginamit na materials, pero meron ka ng mga konting design, then go for semi-premium finish. Our last type of finishing is the premium finish, which is the top tier already. So a premium finish uses top-of-the-line materials, custom designs, and high-end fixtures. This level is for luxury homes that have fine details and high-quality craftsmanship. So ang cost nito per square meter is at about 60,000 to 80,000 pesos per square meter and above. So if you have a 100 square meter house, that's about 6 million to 8 million pesos and above. So high quality structural materials na siya, premium na yung tiles niya, stone countertops, custom cabinetry, luxury kitchen and bathroom fixtures, advanced electrical and plumbing systems, and high-end finishes. So imported na yung tiles, glass, and premium woods. And of course, no, kailangan natin tignan yung mga ibang materials na ginagamit natin if galing rin to sa mga designer, no, like ni Kenneth Cobonpue, kasi malaki talagang bagay kung ano yung type of materials. Yung mga nasabi natin ngayon is ito lang yung mga ballpark figure and ito lang yung mga cost natin as we speak right now, kasi gaya ng properties, yung mga construction materials sumasabay din sa inflation and tumataas din siya over time. Pero I hope, no, nakapagbigay ako ng idea kung magkano yung mga pwede nyong gastusin, kung ano yung type of finish na gusto nyong gawin. And of course, bukod doon, no, sa mga gagastusin natin, may mga additional cost din tayo to consider. Just like the architectural and engineering fees, that's about 7% to 10% of the construction cost. The building permits and miscellaneous fees, about 50,000 to 150,000 pesos. And then the interior design and finishing, for premium finishes, expect additional costs for custom furniture or decoration. Yung mga sinabi ko kanina, no? Again, maraming salamat. Sobrang natututo talaga ako dito kay Engineer Clark Ferrer, which is Mr. Contractor in Facebook page. So, maraming salamat din po, no, sa pagbigay sa amin, no, ng education about this one. So, kung gusto niyo siya i-follow, Mr. Contractor po ang kanyang Facebook page. So, again, no, disclaimer po, hindi po yung mga sinabi namin ngayon, baka mamaya after 3 years pag magpapatayo na kayo ng bahay, o Jaire, sinabi mo ganito lang yung cost. Of course, nagbabago din talaga yan. So, marami po tayong mga lot projects, just like ni Trava for our high-end, we have Solen and other projects from Ayala, most especially dito kay Metro Santa Rosa. If you are looking for a retirement home, if you are looking for a lot, no, na uy, Jaire, ito yung gusto naming layout, talagang maganda, no, na nagpapatayo tayo ng sarili nating bahay para masunod kung ano yung gusto natin, kung ilan yung type of bedrooms, gaano kalaki yung sala natin, saan natin i-place yung kitchen, gusto namin may bedroom sa baba at ganito dapat kalaki yung open space natin. So, napakaganda po dahil, of course, no, ito yung pinagpagura natin, this is our dream house. So, maganda talaga na yung dream house natin or kung saan tayo magdadwell, lalo na if for retirement home, yung gusto talaga nating bahay at kung gaano talaga yung kalaki na gusto natin. So marami po tayong projects na available right now. Ang average price per square meter ng mga lots natin here is 50,000 pesos per square meter here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna, Paseo New Valley area. So if you want to inquire with me, set a tripping or a consultation call, you may book a consultation call or directly contact me through my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That's +63927 185 1590. For my email, no, that's thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. For my Facebook page, The Property Geek, or you can directly contact me at Jaire Valerio Mamaclay. We are still contributing twice a month at the Property Living Manila Bulletin. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa akin till our next video, and I hope you find this video very informative. I'm Jaire Mamaclay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines and come home to Santa Rosa.